today we are hungry. But to get some money, we have to join some pirates.
This is wild. This is awesome. Do I see a shark?
We need to turn off.
Okay. It's been drizzling, so we had to put our gear away. We're just filming with our phone, so apologies if the sound has changed slightly.
The sound has changed now.
Yeah.
You probably can't hear us as well.
Yeah. We're gonna take you now on a street that's very famous here, very narrow with a lot of shops. And then we're going to go to find the pirates because we've seen them and they're gonna be somewhere around there in about 15-20 minutes.
Few minutes. And then after that, we need to eat because I am hungry.
We need to earn it, so we're working hard for it.
We need to eat because I'm hungry. So behind me, there's a bakery shop.
Yes.
Show them what's behind me on top. There's a fan.
Yes, I can see it.
That fan is blowing the smell of the cake from the oven outside. So people can smell of the cake.
And they can come inside.
From far away.
From far away. Because they ask themselves, what smells so good?
That's a good marketing strategy, huh?
That's a good marketing strategy.
Near the oven.
Yes.
To blow the smell out.
Wow. And then look at this. So, are you tempted? Actually, I just smelled it right now because it's breezy. Can you see the flowers moving? It's windy. Let's see what's in here. Wow. Well, you have chutneys, you have preserves and honey, and this is what caught my eye. This is incredible. They're actually called fatter Whitby Fatties. We are at the swing bridge now, and Faha can tell us more about it.
So this is the swing bridge. This part of the bridge and that part of the bridge actually separated, and they open like so to allow large ships in and out.
Right.
So they control it by closing and opening, so they're able to enter the harbor and leave.
So are those the motors?
Yes, over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's very big and
So it's not manually operated. It's actually
motor operated. Thank you very much.
And actually, this was the first swing bridge in 1835, between 1835 to 1908.
To 1908.
Yeah, between that period, it was actually the first swing bridge.
Thank you very much for the information. You're right.
Right, guys.
Ready?
Okay.
Thank you. Right, let's see some pirates.
You know the best place to sit? On your bum.
To these pirates. Let's see. Look at this boat.
Ride the boat now.
Yes. Wow.
Riding the
Ahoy,
boat.
matey. Is this Johnny Depp? Is this Johnny Depp? Wow.
We can be. Yes, he is. Whitby.
Are you coming with me?
So we're setting off now. The boat is ready, and we're about to go for the hunt.
For money. For fish and chips and stuff.
We're on
A casual.
normal boat. We're not on a pirate boat.
Yeah.
We're not on a pirate boat.
We're going under the bridge.
Wow.
We're going under the swing bridge. Let's say hi.
No one is waving.
No one is waving.
No one cares.
Everyone's ignoring us. Wow. Look at that.
What is that?
That's a fish.
It's a fish that keeps jumping.
Fish. And there's a seagull going to the toilet.
Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Now it's very windy,
Yeah.
so the mic may not be able to pick up our voice clear.
Actually, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what was that?
This is the only boat that
The crew dress up as pirates. Yeah.
So, which boat we are in?
We are on the Black Pearl boat. So
Black
the
Pearl
company
boat.
organizing it is called Black Pearl Boat Trips.
Yes.
We'll leave a link down below so you can see the exact address where you have to board the
From the
trip.
beginning, from the person who's selling the tickets
Yes.
to the
Very,
people
yeah.
here, amazing people.
Yeah.
100% so far I would recommend it.
Yeah.
We're not even yet.
So
but,
humorous
it's,
and really relaxed environment.
So good people.
Yeah.
You can tell,
Yeah.
like immediately you can tell
The
this is a
vibe,
good
you know, the
person.
vibe is positive. Yeah.
We're gonna be out in the sea, right?
Yes.
We're gonna go out to the sea. And you know what? I'm looking forward for the food.
That's all you've been thinking about all day.
We're here for the food, by the way. Are we?
Yeah, we are, aren't we?
Another pirate ship.
Wow.
Oh my god, we're gonna crash. We're going to crash. We're gonna crash.
It's huge. Wow. From a pirate boat to another pirate boat. I'm so excited. It's not cold, it's just breezy but so nice. I want to see how far out in the sea we go. Good.
So, this trip should last us 25
minutes max, yeah.
Yeah. It's very busy, so you have to come and book early because, by the way, it's not a long booking. You have to come here and book.
Yes.
So we arrived and we had to wait for
About 1 hour and 15 minutes? Oh no, 1 hour and a half. They
one
said.
hour and a
1 hour
half.
and a half.
1 hour and a half. So we weren't able. We missed about a few boats.
Yes.
Yeah, we missed a few boats because
few
it's full.
It was already full, yeah.
So if you want to come here, I would recommend coming early.
Yeah.
And or you can book and then just like
You go
wait,
do your
hang
thing,
around.
or yeah, grab a bite. Wow, look at the waves.
Wow.
Oh, I can feel the wobbliness. Woo!
Wow.
And now we're exiting.
So now we're exiting Whitby. Whitby
Yes,
is there.
Whitby, yeah.
That's Whitby there. And now we're exiting
Woo! I can feel the motion. of the
because we're
waves.
joining into the sea.
Yes, that's
so this
right.
is the gate. Now this gate, can they close it and open it? No, I
I'm
don't
not
think
sure.
So. It's not full. Wow, big wave. I hope we don't get seasick.
I know. And the boat is
I got
rocking.
seasick last time in Malta. Hope we don't get seasick.
If you haven't watched that video, we're gonna drop a link to it.
Oh my god.
This is amazing.
I got seasick in Malta.
Pale
Alex didn't.
lips, yeah. Pale lips and all the good
Oh
stuff. This is hilarious. I can see a lot of seagulls. Oh, I saw the wave. Oh my god. Hold yourself from Johnny Depp.
Hold tight. I'm gonna hold Johnny Depp. Water in my mouth.
Salt water.
Oh, salt water in my mouth.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow.
That was better. That was slightly better. Wow.
It's a mix of seawater and seagulls and big waves. Oh my god, it's rocking so much. There's another boat, the Summer Queen. Oh, look there. That's Whitby in the distance now.
Oh, that's Whitby.
Yeah.
That's Whitby there.
Oh my god. Oh my god, the waves. I have all over my phone, by the way.
I don't think it's a careful pick this up.
No, I don't think so.
Are they ruined?
No, I think they're okay. Oh, hold tight! Hold tight! Oh my god. I don't know how far out he's going.
I didn't have food before this.
Yeah, I told you not to. Wow. The seagulls are hunting for food.
Oh, look there.
Yeah, oh wow.
Oh my god.
There's a seagull flying, look at that. Oh my god.
seagull flying with us.
Well, I can't catch him. It's too fast. Fahad, I think there's gonna be another wave. Yeah. Yeah, more to the left. Ah! Hopefully the mic is okay and hopefully you can still hear us.
Oh.
No, I think it's okay. Woo. Without knowing, I turned it around.
Oh my god. Oh, change the camera.
I
go.
don't, by mistake. I'm gonna try and film the pirate.
Okay.
But it's too shaky. I don't think I can.
I think the mics are getting ruined, so river.
Yeah, the mics. Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay? This is wild. This is awesome. Don't go on the big boats if you want adventure.
Yes,
come on the
here.
small boat. Wow, wow.
It's windy.
Beautiful.
Oh. It's windy.
It's windy, yeah, because we're far out at sea. If you can see us. Oh my god. Did I see a shark? Oh my god, I can see shark fins.
It's turning around. Oh, that's shark fins.
No, it's
Oh my god, it's turning around.
Is he though? No, I think he's just avoiding the wave. Ah no, it's just a flag. It's a black flag. Ah, maybe it's to tell the pirates to stop here. Look at the waves. Look at the waves. Wow. Is that the Coast Guard?
Yes.
Maybe that is the Coast Guard. Or maybe not.
Oh,
maybe
no.
it's a fishing. It's a fishing.
We need to hide from them.
Quickly.
We need to hide from them. We need to hide.
I know. It's the sea urchin.
Oh!
We just headbutted each other. The waves. I did not expect such waves.
Oh.
Another wave coming. Hold yourself. Hold yourself.
Oh. Oh. Are you dizzy?
No, are you? Are
A little
you?
bit.
And he still hasn't turned the boat around. Oh, and seagulls are just chilling. I don't know if I can film them. Oh my god!
More water.
More water!
Okay, now my phone is like.
Oh my god, Fahad on the mic. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Right, we need to turn it off. 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 Right.
Yeah, turn it off. Behind the scenes footage. So much water on our equipment.
And we need to hide the cameras and the mic.
Quickly, let's hope we can salvage the
Mic's
footage.
all wet.
Salvage the mics.
Right.
Salvage ourselves. Fahad is just trying to put the gear back, by the way, in my bag. Oh wow, what's this? Is that a buoy? That's to tell people to turn around. Yeah, I think it's to tell people that that's it. You can't go any further than that because it gets dangerous. Yeah, this is a turning point, I think.
Okay, we need to say bye.
Yeah, okay. Okay. We've packed our stuff, our microphones and our gear, and oh my god, it's like in Malta. Fahad is not feeling well. I'm standing, but he's sitting down. Jeez. Hang in there, buddy.
I am feeling better.
Yeah.
But still a bit dizzy.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, I'm glad we didn't have food before.
Yeah.
And then I'm looking forward for the end of the day to have
Yeah.
food.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward for a good hearty meal at the end of the day. It's been a long day.
Yeah.
We got that treasure. It's just right here. That's a treasure box.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got what we wanted to get from the pirates.
Yes.
And now we're heading back to Whitby and then go to get some food.
Yes.
But
With the
at
treasure.
least we found what we came
Yes.
for. And I'm trying to do this
Yeah.
while having seasick.
Yeah.
I deserve a life.
Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bit of fresh air.
Thank you, Barry. See you later.
Fish and chips, ice cream, and a boat ride.
That's it.
That's it. That's exactly what I was going to do. Right. We got off the boat. Next, food.
Food. Oh, I'm excited. Let's go find food. Our quest is almost at an end.
Food.
Let's see. Oh, wow. It's very hot. And that is the scampi bites. Ooh. Okay, so we have scampi and chips, we have fish and chips, tartar sauce, and mushy peas.
Already salted?
Already salted, already vinegared. For those of
Is
our
vinegar
viewers,
the word?
vinegar, yeah. I think for our viewers who are not in the UK, watching us from outside the UK, normally when you go to a seaside town, so a place by the seaside, you have to have fish and chips and ice cream,
And tartar sauce.
and tartar sauce
And
and
mushy
mushy
peas.
peas. So that's why we got all the trimmings.
Sometimes peas.
Yeah, sometimes just normal peas as well. We worked hard for this today, so now we're going to tuck in and start eating.
Nice, yeah? What do you think?
The homemade tartar sauce is very good. The fish is soft. I haven't tried the scampi yet, and the mushy peas are really mushy.
Right, should we give this a try?
Yes.
Let's try the chips first of all. Of course, number one, you have to know this is extremely oily and extremely unhealthy.
Yes, thank you for saying that. I forgot to say it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Everything is oily, and if I'm honest with you, the fish is not good.
Why is it not good? What's wrong with it?
It's too oily and definitely frozen, and it tastes soggy. The fish is also soggy and oily. For £9.50, I think it's not worth it. I think I would put £3.50 for this meal. I wouldn't pay £9.50. In Iceland, the fish and chips in
yes.
Iceland is so much better than this one.
So I think here maybe just the batter was a bit off, but I like the mushy peas and the tartar sauce. I found them
But
very good.
let's try this scampi. Oh, okay.
Scampi, yes, yeah?
The scampis, they're great.
Yeah? Great. And
Salsa sauce is really good. The mushy peas,
also really good, isn't it? Yeah?
the scampi good.
Yeah.
Chips are 50-50.
Okay, so it's just the fish.
No. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please watch our other videos because we do these adventures all the time. We actually post them on every Friday at
2 o'clock, British Standard Time.
With this in mind,
See you next time.
see you next time. Bye bye.